This is so ghetto.
Bro.
I'm mad at how ghetto this is. London, when I go, can you allow me to record? Because I can record at the bottom or while I'm on the computer. It's not record? Because I was reading about it. It was like video. It was like just audio or something.
Okay, y'all ready?
So it's time for you?
Mm-hmm.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Dang it. Wait. Okay, starting now. Nope, I'm sorry. Okay. Now I'm finna start. Parallel lines and angle relationships. Vocabulary for parallel lines. Can y'all please copy? And tell me when y'all done. I'm gonna read it while y'all copying it. Parallel lines. Lines that are in the same plane and do not intersect. Skew lines. Lines that do not intersect and are not coplanar. Y'all all done?
I'm not. I'm done.
Okay. Parallel planes. Planes that do not intersect. Perpendicular lines. Two lines that intersect at a right angle. Same side interior theorem. If two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, the same side interior angles are complementary. And under those are the examples of each term.
You want us to copy this?
Yes, please.
Oh.
Just the first two.
Okay.
Are y'all done? Are y'all done?
Yes.
Vocabulary for angle relationships. Y'all can just copy these, so y'all won't have to copy the rest. Vertical angles. A pair of opposite congruent angles formed by intersecting angles. Adjacent angles. Angles that share a common ray, have a common vertex, and do not overlap. These are very important key terms to know. Y'all done? Are you guys finished?
Yes. Almost.
Okay.
I'm done.
I'm just going to read the rest to y'all now. Complementary angles. Two angles whose measure have a sum of 90 degrees. Obtuse angles. An angle with a measure of more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Vertex, the point where two rays meet. Okay, this is the learning target / objective. For parallel lines, the purpose is to identify, describe, and name points, lines, line segments, right, and plane using correct rotation. Please don't mind the typo. For angle relationships, the purpose is to describe relationships among tangents and radii of a circle. Introduction. Imagine two people who are madly in love but can never get on track. They are on two different paths and their paths will never cross because they are not meant to. Think of that like parallel lines. Parallel lines are two lines that are always the same distance apart and never touch. For angle relationships. Angle relationships is the amount of space between two straight lines that have a common endpoint. That is like two people coming from two completely different directions, but they come to the same meeting point or endpoint. The space between the two starting points is like angle relationships. Examples. Above is an example of parallel lines. Like my example in the slide before, the lines could be represented as two lovers that will never get on the same track. They will never cross paths. Next example. This is an example of angle relationships. This space between them, between the two lines cut by the transversal, that's the angle relationship. Okay. Now y'all try. The answers are down there, but don't look. So you have to solve for X and Y. I know y'all see the answer, but don't look. Not X and Y, just X. I'm sorry. Are you guys trying it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have the answer.
You said you have the answer?
I have the answer for the first one.
What is it?
It's 50.
That's correct. Solve for the second one, please.
I have an answer.
What is it?
17.
That's correct. This is just examples of the problems before. Okay, exit ticket. True or false? Line L is congruent to line M.
True.
Does everybody agree?
Yes.
London? That's correct. What does X have to be to make A congruent to B? Y'all have to solve for this one. God bless you.
That's you.
Thank you. I have an answer.
I have yeah, me too.
What's the answer?
A.
Michaela?
I agree.
London, did you solve it yet?
I did. I did not get that though.
What did you get?
I got 85.
Okay, can somebody please tell London where she messed up?
What did you equal 5x minus 54 is equal to 3x plus 16?
Yeah, I did 5x minus, well, I did that, and then I subtracted by 3, and I got 2x minus 54 equals 116. Then I added it.
You said 116.
Oh,
Do you see your error?
yeah.
What was your error?
I put 116 instead of 16.
Oh, well, the correct answer was A. X equals 35. Thanks for recognizing your mistake, London. Okay,
Thanks for helping.
no problem. Okay, construct the response. List a pair of alternate interior angles and explain why you picked those pairs. I'll give y'all a couple minutes to list them. Y'all should all get the same answer for this one.
got an answer.
Me too.
I'm listening. Go one at a time, please. Paris.
3 is congruent to 6.
Okay. London.
5 is congruent to 4.
Michaela.
I thought those were the only two answers.
I just wanted to hear your answer choices.
Oh, 3 and 6 and 4 and 5.
That's correct. Okay. So for the last 4 minutes of class, is there anything y'all would like for me to go back on?
And we
Give
reviewed
another like real life example.
Dealing with parallel lines?
Yeah.
Oh. So okay. Oh, okay.
Hey, I think I have one.
Okay, yeah, can I hear your example for it?
These are parallel lines, right?
I'm sorry, say that again. Can you speak up?
I said these are parallel lines.
Right. Oh, I can't see you.
Oh, well, you can come back to the screen.
Oh, okay. Exit. What's your example of parallel lines? Now, why would you say that's parallel lines?
Because they don't cross. You see?
Mm-hmm.
They just keep going straight.
Paris, can you give me a real life example of parallel lines?
A real life example would be train tracks, and you know the size of it, they are parallel.
Michaela, can you give me one?
Table legs. The legs on the table.
I don't get it.
Like the legs on the table, they have to be parallel in order to stand up.